Hello, my name is Alistair and this is the first video on this channel. Like most viewers, I have gained greatly from the generosity of others here and hope in the future to upload other joinery and DIY videos along with a series detailing the construction of an unusually made koi pond still in progress. I've had my Festool FS55 rail saw since 2007 and it's worked hard for me cutting all sorts of sheet goods from plywood and laminated panels through to the solid plastic sheets I've used in the koi pond. It's a great tool and one of the first tools I would buy again if starting my collection. For the first time, I've had a chance to create a permanent workshop in part of a home extension we are building, and as such I'll be making some shop furniture, and I wanted to enhance the speed and accuracy of breaking down the plywood sheets. You'll have to excuse the chaos here as I've had to pile everything up in this room while the floor dries out in the workshop area. Things will get more organised. So this is the tool. So very easy. You just lift the rail, slide in, and if you want to be further up the rail, you can do that. If you want to be at the other end, keep filming, don't stop, or a left-hand cut. So just to square off the factory edge, just bring it up and then just let it flat, hold here, and when setting down the square it's well worth giving it just a little waggle to seat it correctly, as you'll see in all of the following cuts. And then cut the shell, allowing for the thickness of the blade. And here we zoom in on the diagonals to show the accuracy of the cuts. This is the popular 4 or 5 cut method for assessing the squareness of cutting. The piece of wood's about 600 by 400 millimeters, 18 millimeter ply. And as you'll see again, just a slight wobble of the rail to get it to seat each time. Just taking a shave off each of the sides as I go around, and you will see on the right there's 2 parallel lines on the side marked 1 and 5. Those parallel lines are 500 millimeters apart, and you'll see that shortly when we're measuring. The 5th side now, taking a larger slice off so that we can measure it. All in one take, as you can see. Vernier calipers now at the first end. Zeroed. 20.94 millimeters, 500 millimeters away. 20.95, so a variation of 0.01 millimeters arising from a cut 2 meters long. 4 cuts totaling 2 meters long. Quite astonishing, really. In conclusion, the device is easy to use, super quick and very accurate. If you don't already have a square guide, I would recommend this one to you. That's my first short video. Please consider subscribing and hopefully we'll have more content for you in the future. Goodbye.